Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete a lot of pictures at once on Roblox. Super simple. You're just going to select the Roblox logo, go to captures, and then you're going to select this instead of show more. So there's like a gear icon here, and for instance you want to delete a lot of photos. Instead of going through it one by one, you can actually scroll through it, and here you can even select all to delete it all. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to delete a few. So for instance, like I want to delete this one, and then this one, and then this one, for instance, and then these ones, I don't know. Then I'm just going to press the delete button. You can also do it if you want to save a lot of images all at once instead of pressing it one by one. So here, like I want to save these. I'm just going to then press this and it's going to be saved to my device. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.